Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
Prophecy professor about the stampede in Islamic high school. Quite avoidable, and the innocent lives lost. Some of them future inventor, some of them future president, some of them future governor, state, but the dream is dead. And then I listen to people on social media. They will say, Governor Oriyomi, nothing will happen to them, and all of that. And I said to myself, they probably don't know who their governor is. Then, because Prof may say, okay, temper justice with mercy. Yes, we will get to that point. But tó bá jẹ́ ọmọ tí tèmi wà nínú àwọn tí wọ́n kú yẹn, I will be saying something totally different. And no life is bigger than any life. My record ní Macon, I was at I think it was management meeting or board meeting. When they moved, when you are okay, this is the health policy, over health insurance. There's a gold, premium, and then regular. Okay, you are the proposer. Okay, I'll see managing director. I'll see I want the gold. I want this one. And I said to them, wait, the life of my driver, is it inferior to my own life? So if they be regular or won't deserve, me deserve, because health is an issue of sometimes life and death. Record she wanted, I did not approve their proposal. Instead, I said, to buy them tell they afford the premium or regular for everybody. That is what you should do. From me, the managing director, to my driver. When it comes to life, we're equal. And even before God, we're equal. So it's easier for people to say, but I want to marry me, I'm a so the 35 innocent souls, don't they also deserve justice? So we'll get to a point where we're saying, that is why early this year, I signed up for Rule of Law Enforcement Authority, so that be abroad, things are working. But those places, people don't throw trash on the median of the road. The rule is the rule. Their law is their law. But for us, we don't want to do all of those things. So those are some of the things. Don't impede progress in work. In as much as we're fair to everybody. So We'll follow the process. And under my watch, wọ́n ní gbé ẹ̀bi fún ẹni tó jáde.